Greetings from great used auto sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer RS package. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, really outstanding shape. It's only got about 1,000 miles on it. Really amazing condition. Beautiful blue color, leather interior inside like a charcoal gray, parking sensors in the rear, large sunroof on top, panoramic. Really amazing condition. All right, let's go ahead and take a closer look. Front bumper's in amazing shape, not a mark on it. Looks beautiful, outstanding condition. Let's take a look at the front headlamps on the passenger side. Beautiful shape. Look at that. Lower light, beautiful condition. Look at that spoiler. RS package, the only one that has that spoiler. Beautiful look, like a carbon fiber look down there. Very nice. Take a look at the other headlamp on top. Lower light down here, amazing condition. Look at the emblem. The grille looks beautiful. Very nice RS package. Really nice condition. Take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful shape. Looks outstanding. Look at that. Beautiful condition throughout. Very nice shape. Really nice condition. Look at that. Beautiful shape. All right, let's take a look at the front fender. Front fender on the passenger side, beautiful shape, very nice condition. All right, let's take a look at the passenger side door in the front. Looks beautiful, clean throughout, outstanding condition. Looks beautiful, look at that. Very nice condition. All right, now we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Amazing condition, really outstanding shape. Quarter panel on the passenger side rear, beautiful condition. Not a mark on it, looks beautiful. Rear glass is in amazing shape. Look at that. Beautiful condition all the way through. Super nice. All right, let's take a look at the rear door back here. The hatch in the back looks amazing. Take a look at those parking sensors back here in the back. Beautiful condition. Those chrome tips on the exhaust look beautiful. Really nice condition. All right, quarter panel on the driver's side, outstanding shape, clean throughout, beautiful condition. Rear door on the driver's side, beautiful condition throughout, outstanding shape, really nice. Front door on the driver's side, amazing condition, clean throughout, beautiful condition. Front fender on the driver's side, outstanding shape. All right, let's go ahead and take a look. Windshield in the front. Windshield doesn't have a chip or a mark on it. Looks amazing. Beautiful condition. Let's take a look at the top. Look at that large sunroof, panoramic on top. Beautiful condition. Paint's in outstanding shape up here. Beautiful roof. Really nice condition. Windshield on this side, also not a mark on it. Really outstanding shape all the way through. Beautiful condition on this one. All right, that's going to conclude our walk around. Stay tuned. We're going to take a look at the interior. Then we'll take it for a little test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, now we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Amazing condition. Look at this. Beautiful shape. Take a look at the armrest. Amazing shape. All the controls in beautiful condition. There's a controller here for the rear power door. For the power hatch. Very nice. Beautiful condition, outstanding shape. Can't get any better than this. Let's take a look at the driver's seat. Seat's in beautiful condition. Looks like it's never been sat in. Really looks amazing. I don't think you can get any clearer than this. It's in beautiful shape. Look at the stitching on there. Perforated in the center. Very nice. Stitch here on top, RS. Beautiful condition. Let's take a look at the dash. Dash is in amazing shape. Really nice condition. Take a look at that. Beautiful shape throughout. See, controllers, amazing. Super clean. Can't get any better than this. Okay, now we're taking a look at the passenger side front door panel. Amazing condition. Look at the accents on this one. Little stitching there in red. Look at the color combination. Beautiful condition. Power window, power locks here, the controllers. Look at the handle, brand new. Take a look at the door. It's got a little bit of storage in there. Bose system on this one. Beautiful condition. Look at that. Let's take a look at the passenger seat in the front. Really amazing shape. Look at the stitching on it, perforated in the center. It's got etched there RS. Look at that. Beautiful stitching on this. Really nice look. Look at this. Amazing condition. Vehicle does have a full set of floor mats, front and rear. They're brand new. Amazing condition. Really outstanding shape on this one. Okay, now we're taking a look at the rear driver's side door panel. Amazing condition. Look at that. Clean throughout. Really outstanding shape. A little bit of storage there in the door. Take a look at the handle and the controller for the power window. Really amazing shape. All right, let's take a look at the back seat. Also in beautiful condition. Look at that. Amazing shape. It's got a little cup holder fold down there if you'd like. Really nice condition. Let's take a look at the rugs on this side. Beautiful condition. Take a look at that leather seat. Beautiful shape. Super, super clean. No excuses here. Amazing condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in amazing shape. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Super clean. A little bit of storage there on the bottom. Armrest is in amazing condition. Rear seats look beautiful. Look at that. Really amazing condition. Beautiful shape. All right, let's take a look here in the center. We got a couple USBs there and a power plug for 110. Super nice. Take a look at the rugs. Rugs are in amazing condition. Look brand new. Take a look at the liner. We'll take a look at the sunroof in a moment. Really outstanding shape. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and start this baby up. It's a 2025 Trailblazer RS. Beautiful. All right, this is the key fob for it. We're gonna set it down here. It has lock, unlock, remote start, and power hatch with panic. Let's set the key down here. It's got a push button start, so we'll go ahead and start it up right away. It's got a beautiful screen over here. Super nice. Take a look at it as it starts up here. All the lights come on and off. Very nice. Beautiful condition. All right, this shows you the distance of the vehicle in front of you when you're driving. That shows you there the RPMs, fuel gauge, gas gauge, miles till empty. It has the RPMs built in there with the miles per hour, which is super nice. Look at that. Okay, so this one has 1,054 miles. It's like brand new car. Brand new car. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features on it real quick here. Cruise control. This is the collision alert assist. So we're going to press the button there. I can show you the gap. You can set up the settings, see, for different distance. Further distance is better, safer. Okay, cruise control right there. Then we're looking at here. This is the controls for the radio in case you wanted to change the radio setting here on top. So right now there's no phone connected. I press phone, but I press there so you can switch to AM, FM, XM radio. So you can do it right from the dash here. To hang up the phone, to speak your commands. Behind here, it's got a couple little buttons on both sides to control the volume and the station, which is super nice. Let's check out the turning signals. Working fantastic. Front and rear wipers. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Very nice. Automatic lights in the front. Super nice. This is for the cruise control. Heated steering wheel. You turn that on there. You got the heated steering wheel going. Really nice. Dashboard steering wheel's in beautiful condition. Look at that. Really outstanding shape. Very nice condition. USBs, little tray there. You set your phone down there, it can charge. Wireless charging. It's got the controls here for the engine bypass if you want to bypass it. When you press the button here, it actually turns on. You can see that there, see? So that's in case you want the engine not to cut off at the light. This is for the lane assist here, lane departure. This for the lane departure right here. This one here is for the sport mode. You can click on that there. It gives you the sport mode. See a little light down, the little race flag there that shows up as I turn it on and off. This is for snow. So you click that there, it goes into snow mode. Turns on down here. Okay, very nice. Taking a look at the automatic transmission here with the parking brake. There's for the fan here on this side, for the heated seats right there. Super nice. For the AC, automatic. You can set it up automatic. It only has one zone, but it's really nice regardless. There's an automatic dimming mirror. It has a little sensor there, so it automatically dims. This for the sunroof. We'll take a look at that in a moment. OnStar, airbag. All right, let's take a quick look at the screen here. We got a little bit of a reflection here, so try to set it up to show it best as possible. So let's go to home. And here on home, we're looking at the settings. I'm going to click on settings. It shows you the language, all that good stuff there. Vehicle. Teen driver, rear seat reminder. Collision detection. Let's take a look at all the features it has. It has automatic braking, lane change alert, parking assist, rear camera assist, rear cross traffic. Super nice. All right, let's go back to here. These are the settings, the maintenance. Here, look, let's go to maintenance first. Tire pressure sensors, oil life. Super nice. Gauges. Trip computer. Very nice. Let's go back to home again here. That's for the, if you had your phone paired or whatever, you can see them there. Take a look at the radio. Very nice. That's the radio it's on right now. Beautiful. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, climate control, settings, Wi-Fi hotspot. Beautiful condition. Take a look at the steering wheel. It's in beautiful shape. It's leather wrapped. It's got the sporty look on the bottom. Very nice. Look at that. Really beautiful condition. Dashboard's in beautiful shape. Really outstanding shape. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and test out this beautiful panoramic roof. So it has one button for the shade and one button for the roof. So we're going to go ahead and push the shade back. As we go back, here it goes. All the way back to the rear passengers. They can enjoy that view. And then we're going to go ahead and open up the sunroof. And there you go. So it stops right there. You can take it all the way further back and you're all set. Then you got the beautiful view back there. Large sunroof here, panoramic. So we're going to go ahead and close it up now. Here we go. And we're going to bring back the shade. Works perfect. Look at that. Very nice. All right, that's pretty much it. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the cargo area in the back. Take a look at the tires and under. All right, we're all set. Take it for a test drive. Here we go. Drive super nice. Look at that. Very nice. Look at how quick this is. Really fast pickup on this one. Super nice. Drives amazing. Just doing a U to turn around here. We're back on the road again. Drives so nice, has a lot of power. Feels super nice. All right, next step here, we're going to go ahead and test out the backup camera real quick. We'll find the little spot here to park and we'll show you that fully functional, and that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and give it a quick check here. There we go. A couple spots here to select one of them. Okay, so now we're going to put in reverse. I just put in reverse there. Check out the backup camera. So I'm parking here because there's a couple little things here that are going to light up on the parking assist here. There's a pole there, so you got it lighting up there when I turn. I'm just backing straight up. Backing straight up right there. And there's some bushes back there which also make it activate back there, letting us know we're getting too close. So that's exactly what I wanted to do. I wanted to show you here how that looks there. So those bushes are probably maybe 3 feet away, but it shows up right there. And then it shows up on the right side, passenger right and rear, that we could possibly hit something. So that's pretty much it. So that's the rear backup camera there with the parking sensors and the alert here on the cluster. Fully functional. So as soon as you put it back in park, it goes back to normal. Super nice. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open up the rear hatch. This one's power. Super nice. So we have the remote right here. And then what it does is has lock unlock, remote start, power hatch on the remote. And it also has panic, original key. But this one has a great feature. Right on the bottom here, you put your foot on the bottom there like that. And there you go, it opens up automatically. So you don't even need to use the remote. It's super nice. Let's take a look here. Cargo area in the back, it looks amazing. Super nice. Down below, let's see. A little bit of storage down here. Look at that, super nice. Got all your jack, all your tools there. It's got the license plate holder for the front in case you need it. Spare tire, beautiful condition. Beneath that, you'll find the subwoofer for the Bose system. Super nice, very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look in the engine compartment now. Let's take a quick look here. Beautiful condition, very nice. This one has a 3-cylinder engine. A lot of power, it feels like a 4-cylinder. It's got a lot of power when you take it on the road. Really nice. Engine compartment is super clean, looks brand new. It's only got 1,000 miles on this engine. Really in nice condition. Amazing shape. All right, let's take a look here at the emission sticker. Super nice. Really great shape. Super clean throughout. All right, we're taking a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Amazing condition, looks brand new. Look at that. It's got about 1,000 miles on these tires. These are the original tires that came from factory. All right, we'll take a look at the rim. Rim's in beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Does have a scuff here on it. Besides that, it's in beautiful shape. Really outstanding condition. Continental tires all the way around. Okay, we're all set. Take a look at the back wheel. The back tire on the driver's side, look at that. Amazing condition, look at that, very nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape, not a mark on this one. Let's take a close look. Continental tires all the way around. Rim's in beautiful condition, not a mark on this one. Looks amazing, very nice. Okay, rear tire on the passenger side, beautiful condition. Take a look at the tire tread on there, looks brand new. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape, very nice condition. Beautiful shape. Rim is clean and outstanding shape. Does have an imperfection right here on the edge of the rim. You can see there. It's got a couple scuffs right there. Besides, that's in beautiful shape. All right, let's take a closer look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire's in amazing shape. Look at this. Beautiful condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Let's take a close look here. This one does have a couple little scratches here and here. Besides, that's an amazing shape. Very nice condition. Okay, well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer with the RS package. Loaded up with panoramic roof, leather, really outstanding shape. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutosales.com.